How to back up and restore WhatsApp chats. Open WhatsApp. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Then open Chats and scroll down until you see Chat Backup. First, tap on the Google account option and select the Google account where you want your chats to be saved. After selecting the account, make sure to turn on automatic backups and choose how often you want the backup to happen, daily, weekly, or monthly. It's important not to leave this off, otherwise your chats won't be backed up automatically. Just below that, you'll see an option called Include Videos. Enable it if you also want your WhatsApp videos to be included in the backup, but keep in mind, this will increase the backup size. Once everything is set, tap the backup button and WhatsApp will start uploading your chats to Google Drive. This may take some time depending on your internet speed and the size of your data. Now, to restore your chats on a new phone, verify your phone number and make sure you're logged into the same Google account used for the backup. After verification, WhatsApp will automatically detect the available backup and show you a restore option. Tap on Restore, wait for the process to complete, and your chats will be brought back.